Hi and welcome back to Logarithm's Security Spotlight. This series is designed to provide quick visibility and understanding into the ways you can leverage the Logarithm platform against a variety of threats. Today's Spotlight is a quick overview on using Sysmon for Linux to expand our suite for MITRE attack detections. Linux as an operating system, whilst not as pervasive as Windows in the user side of enterprise compute, is a major component of most enterprise environments. A major reason for this is its open source legacy and the flexibility that provides to vendors when developing applications, saying nothing for the potential cost savings involved. Moreover, Linux has all the things needed for running even the largest of enterprises. No matter what type of business you are running, Linux has all the applications you need for the day-to-day operations. There's no doubt today Linux is part of most enterprise foundations, and it is increasingly becoming more prevalent in the office side of businesses, from small to major enterprises. Think about ERP, CRM, HR and e-commerce applications. Customers have already implemented their business applications on Linux systems to increase their security, stability and scalability. Many believe that Linux is inherently more secure by design than a Windows system because of the way that it handles security privileges and user permissions. However, the tide is changing. More and more Linux systems simplify things within administration and utilization, and this of course can lead to potential mistakes or misconfigurations, providing fertile ground for potential exploits. Unfortunately, there has been an alarming increase in malware, ransomware and malicious code that targets Linux systems. Research also indicates that Linux systems attacks have tripled since 2016. In fact, recent studies found that Linux malware now accounts for greater than 1/3 of all malware activity. In October 2021, Microsoft announced the release of Sysmon for Linux, an attempt to replicate the huge success of Sysmon on Windows, delivering verbose system logging to enable greater visibility into process creation, network connectivity, file deletions, and a whole host of other things. This capability drastically increases the ability to map Linux activity against the MITRE attack matrix within your SIM platform. Much like Sysmon on Windows, however, the biggest drawback is the understanding and knowledge on how to leverage this tool. The Copilot team recognised this and immediately got to work. I won't be highlighting a single rule here because the team actually used MITRE's own tools to identify the top 10 Linux relevant techniques and then set about emulating the tactics using Red Canary or MITRE Caldera. When reviewing the techniques, they found that 80% can be monitored using Sysmon for Linux alone. In addition to monitoring of the Sysmon logs, they also found that the default audit D-logging was not providing enough information to properly catch these attacks. The techniques span a wide variety of tactics, including privilege escalation and defense evasion. If you want more information about how to enable these rules within your Logarithm deployment, the link in the description will take you to our community page where you can read more about the rules, download and then import them into your platform. Alternatively, please reach out to your line sales engineer or Copilot and they'll be happy to assist you. Finally, we've also provided links to useful blogs and other videos that outline various things discussed in this video in more detail should you want to continue your reading. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Please check back next week, same time, for another of Logarithm's Security Spotlights.